Boasting quality construction and an ICF foundation, today we're visiting 3 Eagle Ridge Court.
Let's check out this stunning 3-bedroom home.
From the bright formal dining room, you can head to the butler's pantry.
Which leads into this beautiful kitchen with solid surface countertops and floor-to-ceiling cabinetry.
The great room has a dining area with doors to the back deck,
followed by the living room with tray ceilings and the cozy propane fireplace.
The main floor also has a powder room and a mudroom with access to the 3-bay garage.
And we finish off with the primary suite, offering a walk-in closet and a luxurious ensuite bathroom.
Let's head upstairs.
This level has 2 more bedrooms and another full bathroom.
Finally, we have the ICF basement, which is framed and ready for your finishes.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 3 Eagle Ridge Court,
visit frederictonhomes.com.